students, welcome back to our video tutorial on grade TV. It's me Suresh Aryal from Daisy Secondary School. Today I am going to teach the topic the simultaneous equation of class 9. The content of this video beneficial for class 8 and 10 as well. Dear students, before entering these topics, I want to discuss about the equation. Equation. What is equation? Equation is a mathematical sentence using equal operation. It's called an equation. Now, we have learned in class 8 many of type of equations, that linear equation, that quadratic equation, cubical equation, biquadratic equation. Among them, linear equation mostly important for these topics. This means simultaneous linear equation. Now, I have here two equations. Both are the linear equation with two variables. Here x and y. Here also x and y. These equations are linear equation or not? If we can compare ax plus by plus c equal to 0. If we can compare that equation with ax plus by plus c equal to 0, that equation is called linear equation. These two equations are linear equations sure, but these two are simultaneous equation or not. Before that, if have a common pair of solution of these two equations are said to be simultaneous linear equation. For that, first, what are the pair of solution of these two equations? Among them, if have one pair of solution, then that two equations are said to be simultaneous equation. यो दुईवटा रेखीय समीकरणलाई युगपत रेखीय समीकरण भन्ने कि नभन्ने, त्यसको निम्ति सबैभन्दा पहिला यसमा भएका पेयर अफ सोलुसन मध्ये कुनै एउटा पेयर अफ सोलुसन यदि कमन एउटै आयो भने त्यो दुईवटा लाइनहरु आपसमा काटिन्छन्, त्यो दुईवटा लाइनहरु आपसमा प्रतिच्छेदित हुन्छन्, कुनै एउटा बिन्दुमा प्रतिच्छेदित भयो भने त्यो दुईवटा इक्वेसन हामीले युगपत रेखीय अर्थात simultaneous linear equation भनेर डिफाइन गर्नुभयो. Okay, now finding the pair of solution, putting the possible value of x and y. Dear students, what value of x and y? Yes, by solving we can find the value of x and y. If the value of x equal to 1, while we putting the value of x equal to 1, then we get the value of y equal to 4. त्यसैगरी x को value 2 substitute गर्दा solve after solution, then 2 plus 3 y को value 5 हुन्छ. x को value 3 substitute गर्दा 3 plus 3 6 हुन्छ. x को value 4 substitute गर्दा y को value 7 हुन्छ. x को value -1 substitute गरौँ, -1 plus 3 that plus 2. It has many pair of solution. From the above table, the pair of solution are 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, -1, 2, etc. It's all pair of solutions satisfied this equation. It's all pair of solutions satisfied this equation. Similarly, now I'm going to find the pair of solution of second equation. Also x and y, two variables, so the equation is linear equation with two variables. When we put the value of x equal to 1, then we get after solution that 2 1s are 2 minus 1 1. Value of x equal to, put the value of x equal to 2. Now 2 2s are 4 minus 1, that 3. Value of x equal to 3. Then 3 2s are 6 minus 1, that 5. Value of x equal to 4. Then 4 2 is 8. 8 minus 1, that 7. Value of x equal to minus 1. Then 2 into minus 1. Minus 1, that minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Yes, these all are the pair of solution of that equation. Dear students, it has also many pair of solutions. Here 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 4, 7, minus 1, minus 3, etc. These all are the pair of solution of this equation. Each pair of solution satisfies this equation. Now look students. These are the pair of solution of first equation. These are the pair of solution of second equation. Out of them, any pair of solution are common or not? Look here. Here 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, minus 1, 2. Here this all are pair of solution of this one. Out of them 4, 7. Here also 4, 7. This one pair of solution is common of both equations. Then we can say these two equations are said to be simultaneous linear equation. If you have common pair of solution, in that case only we can say that two equations are the simultaneous linear equation. Yes. Here 4, 7 is common pair of solution. यो दुईवटा समीकरणमा भएका पेयर अफ सल्युसन मध्ये 4, 7 चाहिँ आफैमा एउटा कमन पेयर अफ सल्युसन भएको कारणले गर्दा यी दुई इक्वेसनलाई हामीले युगपत् रेखीय समीकरण भनेर डिफाइन गर्न सक्छौं. Dear students, easily we can define the equation, define the simultaneous equation by this example. The pair of equation that have only one pair of solution which satisfy both the equation is non-simultaneous equation. Here systems. The pair of equation, these two equations are pair of equation that have only one pair of solution. Yes, 4, 7, 4, 7. This pair of solution is common. Only one pair of solution. Only one means common pair of solution which satisfy 4, 7, 4, 7. This common pair of solution satisfies both equations. So both equations are said to be simultaneous equation. Dear students, दुईवटा पोइन्टले जुन 4, 7 र 4, 7 यो ग्राफ पेपरमा तिमीहरूले प्लट गर्दा you have already learned in class 8 मैले क्लासमा तिमीहरूले पढिसकेका छौ. ग्राफ पेपरमा प्लट गर्दा दुईवटा लाइनले यसलाई यसरी इन्टरसेक्ट गर्छ. जुन इन्टरसेक्टिङ पोइन्ट भनेकै तिमीहरूको पेयर अफ सल्युसन ले डिफाइन गरिन्छ. यो दुईवटा इक्वेसनबाट तिमीहरूले यसरी पेयर अफ सल्युसन फाइन्ड आउट गर्छौ by putting the possible value of x and y. Then we get the pair of solution this time while we plotting these all coordinate in the graph paper. That means these two lines are cut to each other at a single point. That point is 4, 7. Okay students, now we can solve these two equations, the simultaneous linear equation, by using different method. Is that elimination method, substitution method, graphical method, matrix method, row equivalent method, Serre's rule, Cramer's rule, many of methods we can find the value of unknown variable. But in class 9 we can use these three methods. We can solve this simultaneous equation by using this method: elimination method, substitution method, and graphical method. You have already learned in class 8 this graphical method by using graph paper. But now in class 9, elimination method and substitution method. Elimination method, when we eliminate that one variable, either x or y, then we get the value of remaining variables. Then we can substitute that value in equation first or second, then we get the value of remaining variables. I am going to do this problem to solve. Okay, let's see this equation by using that elimination method. Okay, that equation, let's see. 2x plus y equal to 13, and second equation 3x plus y equal to 17. First of all, what types of equations are there? That two equations are linear equation with two variables. Already given equation, these two equations are simultaneous equation, that we can find the possible values. We can find the possible pair of that solution. Now, your two equation 2x plus y equal to 13, let this equation first, and second equation 3x plus y equal to 17, let this equation second. How we find the value of x and y? How we find the values of unknown variable? Your unknown variables are x and y. By elimination method, I am going to do this numerical by elimination method. By using elimination method, for that, first try to make the same coefficient, either x or y. Look here, the coefficient of x is 2 and y is 1 in equation first. Similarly, the coefficient of x equal to 3 and coefficient of y equal to 1 in equation second. Okay, students, now here coefficient of y in equation first and the coefficient of y in equation second are same. That case, you can subtract second equation from first, or it's vice versa. That means second equation 3x plus y equal to 17, we can subtract from equation first. For change its sign. Now, minus, minus, minus. Solving equation first with equation second, we get. Now 2x plus y equal to 13. Second one is subtract from first one, that is 3x plus y equal to 17 minus minus minus. After change this sign, this one is meaningless. Now 2x minus 3x, this y part have the same but different sign. Now 3x and 2x, that subtract value is minus x, because minus sign is greater than plus sign, positive sign. Here plus 13 minus 17, here minus 4. Now, therefore the value of x equal to 4. Now we can substitute the value of x equal to 4 in equation first or second. Substituting the value of x equal to 4 in equation second. That 3x plus y equal to 17. Now the value of x equal to 4. 3.4 plus y equal to 17. 12 plus y equal to 17. Or this one get another side. Subtract from the 17, that y equal to 17 minus 12. Therefore the value of y equal to 5. Therefore the solution of that equation, simultaneous equation, is 4 and 5. The value of x equal to 4 and the value of y equal to 5. This solution is correct or not, you can say by putting the value of x and y in that equation. While putting the value of x and y in that equation, if have the LHS and RHS are equal, that is, these two are true, these two are correct of that solution. So now the value of x equal to 4, you can say that 2x plus y equal to 13. Now value of x equal to 4. 2.4 plus value of y equal to 5 equal to 13. 4 to the 8 plus 5 equal to 13. 13 equal to 13. This one is true. That means the value of x and y of this equation are 4 and 5 respectively. Okay. Once more, that 2x plus y equal to 13, 3x plus y equal to 17. These two are simultaneous equations already given in questions. Now, how we find the value of one variable? I'm going to that using your elimination method. By elimination method, to find the value of this one. Here 2x plus y equal to 13. First, look the coefficient of that variable. Here coefficient of x equal to 2. Here coefficient of x equal to 3. That not same. But here the coefficient of y, here coefficient of y are same. Try to make only one coefficient of only one variables are same that. Now 2x plus y equal to 13, 3x plus y equal to 17. तिमीहरुले दुईवटा इक्वेसन समीकरणलाई हल गर्दाखेरि तिमीहरुले त्यो दुईवटाको गुणाङ्कलाई हेर्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. यसमा x को गुणाङ्क 2 छ, x को गुणाङ्क 3 छ, यसमा y को गुणाङ्क 1 छ. सिमिलरली सेकेन्ड समीकरण दोस्रो समीकरणमा पनि y को गुणाङ्क 1 नै छ. दुईवटाको गुणाङ्क चाहिँ सेम भएको कारणले गर्दा हामीले यो सेकेन्ड इक्वेसन फर्स्ट इक्वेसनमा सबट्र्याक्ट गर्न सक्छौं. सबट्र्याक्ट गर्नुको अर्थ के हो त भन्दा नेगेटिभ साइन. किन यहाँ दुईटै पोजिटिभ छ. y को गुणाङ्क +1, y को गुणाङ्क +1 छ. डिफरेन्ट साइन नभइकन हामीले त्यसलाई इलिमिनेट गर्न पाउँदैनौं. त्यसैकारणले गर्दा सेकेन्ड इक्वेसनलाई हामीले फर्स्ट इक्वेसनमा सबट्र्याक्ट गर्छौं. सबट्र्याक्ट गर्छौं, घटाउँछौं भन्नुको अर्थ त्यसको साइनलाई परिवर्तन गर्नुपर्छ भन्ने सोच्नु. So dear students, so minus x here minus 4. Now minus we can eliminate because this minus get in another side in divided form. We can eliminate up and down. The value of x equal to 4. So यो x को value जति छ यो value लाई either in equation first or in second you can put the value of x that equations. But now 3x plus y equal to 17. That equation second. Value of x equal to 4. 3 4 are 12 plus y equal to 17. This 12 get another side. That sign is changed. Now minus 12 y equal to 5. Yes. So if you are confused this one numerical, you can do this numerical with this video. From another example from your textbook. So dear students, okay, this video mostly important for you who are interested to do this numerical, improving this calculation power. So please do not forget to subscribe this channel after watching this video. Okay, thank you.